Hello level 7. This is your first video about your homework, okay, for exercise 1-3 in your practice book, page number 9, okay. So we will answer question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So in question 1 we have, he asked me to complete these three factors, okay. So what should I do? For example, in the first one, 88, he said it's 8 multiplied by 11. So I will check this 8 equals what by what? Yeah, it's 2 by 4. Okay, so this 2 is done. And what about 4? Yeah, 4 is still 2 by 2. For 11 actually is a prime number, so you can't complete it anymore. Okay, let's go for letter B. It's 135. Okay, before we complete, where is the prime numbers here? Yes, this 2, another 2, another 2 and 11. Let's go for the next one. We have 9. This 9 is multiplying of 3, is product of 3 by 3, and 15 3 by 5, and we are done because we get all prime numbers. So it's a 3 and 3 and 3 and 1 5. Last one here, we have 260. Okay, he made it for us 26 by 10. So this 26 is what by what, and this 10 is what by what. 10 is simple, 2 by 5, and 26 you can say, for example, it will be 2 by 13, nothing else actually. Okay, because 13 is a prime number, so you can't complete. So here is the prime numbers 2 and 13 and 2 and 5. Okay, so for question number 2, he said draw two different factors trees for 80. So here we have 80. We need to write two different factors trees. So in this one, let's start with, for example, 8 by 10. 8 by 10, I will get 80. And this 8 divided again, it will be 2 by 4. And this 4 again, it will be 2 by 2. And this 10, it will be 2 by 5. Right? This is one method. Okay, let's check the prime numbers. Here, 2, and another 2, another 2, another 2, and only 1 5. Let's try a different tree of factors. Here 80, we will try different multiplication, and instead of 8 by 10 we can try 4 by 20. From 4 by 20 I will get 80 also. So this 4 is 2 by 2, and this 20 is 5 by 4, and this 4 is 2 by 2 again. So where is the prime numbers? Here 2 and 2 and 2 and 2 and only 1 5. So I can write the prime numbers here like I have how many? 1 2 3 4 2's. Here the same, by the way, and only 1 5. Okay, so it's 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Okay, this is question number B, because they said in B write 80 as a product of primes. So 2 by 2 by 2 by 2 by 5. Or you can simply make it, because here we have how many 2's? 4. So it's 2 power 4 multiplied by only 1 5. Okay, let's go for the next one. This was for B. Question number 3, he said write down each number. Write down each number. I have here this number 2 multiplied by 3 power 2 multiplied by 5 power 2. So it will be 2, and this 3 power 2 means 3 multiplied by 3, and this 5 power 2 means 5 multiplied by 5. Let's get the result. Here 2 multiplied 3, we can do it like okay, 3 multiplied 3 equal 9, 9 multiplied 5 equal 45, and we have 5 and 2. This 5 and 2, 5 multiplied 2 equals what? 10. So 10 multiplied 45 equal 450. Again, I have in the middle 3 and 3 and 5. So 3 by 3 is 9. 9 multiplied 5 equal 45. The remaining is 1 2 and 1 5. That means 2 by 5 equal 10. So 10 by 45 you will get 450. You can also use your calculator here. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, you get 450, the same. Next one, we have 2 power 4 means 2 repeated how many times? Yes, exactly, it's 4 times, and 3 repeated 3 times. Okay, let's try to calculate it. We have let's take 2 with 3, 6, another 2 with another 3, so another 6, another 2 with another 3, so it's another 6. So actually it's 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6, 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6, you will get 6 by 6, 36. Okay, 36 multiplied by 6, you will get 216. 36 multiplied by 6, you will get 216. But I have still 1 2 left, so it's 2 multiplied 216, you will get 432. 432. Let's make sure with our calculator. So 2 by 2 by 2 by 2 and multiply by 3 by 3 by 3, 432. Next one we have here 2 power 2 means 2 repeated 2 times, and 11 power 2 means 11 repeated 2 times, so it's 11 by 11. Okay, so here you can multiply 2 by 11, it's 2 by 11 equal 22, or 2 by 2 equal 4, 4 multiply 11 equal 44, right? 44 multiply 11 is so simple, just separate them like this and add them together. 4 plus 4 equal 8 and put it in the middle. This is a trick for table 11. Okay, so here again 2 multiply 2 multiply 11 multiply 11, you will get 484. That's it. Okay, for question number 4, he said write the HCF and LCM for each of these two numbers. The first number is 2 power 2 means 2 multiplied by 2, right? After that multiply by 3, after that multiply by 7. The next number is 2 and 2 3's, I will put one under this 3 and the other one I will leave it outside here, so multiply by 3, and I have also 5, I will leave it outside. So here to get the HCF, how to calculate the HCF? Here 2 and here is another 2. Okay, so it will be 2. I will take from each 2. Okay, I will take 2 here. It's 2 common, take only 1. Here 2 common, take only 1. So it's 2 by 3 equals 6. This is the HCF. So the HCF for 90 and 84, it's 6. Okay, how to calculate the LCM? Look, from each line, take one number. So it will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. It will be a big number, so use your calculator. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5, so you will get 1 2 6 and 0, 1260. I hope it's simple. Sorry. Okay, let's complete our work. For question number 5, he said you have two numbers, 120 and 160. Factorize them. At the beginning I need to factorize them. Okay, write them as a product of primes, that means factorization. You can use which method you prefer. Okay, the vertical one, or you can use also the tree of factors. So here we use the tree of factors, of course, so let's try here this method. I will divide by 2, 120 divided by 2, I will get 60. As we said before, we can only divide it by prime numbers. What is prime numbers? Like 2, like 3, like 5, like 7, and so on. So I will divide again by 2, it will be 30. By 2 again, it will be 15. By 3, you will get 5. By 5, you will get 1. And for 160, also the same idea, divided by 2, you will get 80. Divided by 2, it's 40. By 2 again, it's 20. By 2 again, it's 10. By 2 again, it's 5. By 5, it's 1. So let's try both of them. We have up there, it's 2 by 2 by 2 by 3 by 5. And in the denominator, we have 2 and another 2 and third 2. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3, and I will leave 2 at the end. And what about 5? I will put it here under this number 5. So let's calculate the HCF. How to calculate HCF? Simply here 2, another 2, another 1, and 1, 5. 2 by 2 by 2 is 8. 8 multiplied by 5, you will get 40. So 40 is the HCF, the highest common factor. Okay, 40. Okay, what about LCM? In the same way that we get before, we will say that we have here one line, that's mean 2. Another line, I will take from it 2. Here this line 2 also. Here I will take 3. Here I will take 5. And here I will take 2. And here also I will take 2. You can use your calculator, of course. Here you have 2 by 2 by 2 by 3 by 5 by 2 by 2. You will get 480. Also, to write them as a product of primes, here you have how many 2's? 3. You can write it like this: 2 power 3, right? Multiply by 3, multiply by 1, 5. Okay, sorry. You can write it you can write it 2 bar 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 5. Also, second one, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 2's, that means 2 bar 5 multiply by only 1, 5. That's it. I hope it's clear. Okay, let's go for the next one. We need to factorize also at the beginning. Okay, let's factorize 84. Divide by 2, you will get 42. Divide by 2, you will get 21. Divided by 3, it's 7. Divided by 7, it's 1. Here's the same idea. By the way, you can use 3 factors if you wish. 96, you will divide by 2. 96 divided by 2, you will get 90. Half of 90 is 45. And half of 6 is 3. So 45 and 3 means 48. Okay, so after that, divided by 2 again, you will get 24. Divided by 2, you will get 12. 2, 6. 2, 3, 3, it's 1. So let's write them. Okay, I can find here 84 equal 2 by 2 by 3 by 7. And then, the other one is 2 by 2, and I have more 3 2's. I will put them there, and 1 3. Okay, and as we said, also you can write them in a different form. Here we have 2 times and 1 3 and 1 7. Here we have 2 5 times and 1 3. Okay, let's complete. How to get the HCF? Here HCF, we have 1 2, second one, and third one. So 2 multiply 2, 4 multiply 3, you will get 12. Okay, what about the LCM? From each line, as we said before, here I will take 2, here another 2, here the third 2, the third number I will take 3 here, 7 and 2 and 2 and 2, 3 lines here. So 2 by 2 by 2, you will get 2 by 2 by 3 by 7 by 2 by 2 by 2, you will get 672. Okay, I hope it's easy. You can use, by the way, this also to calculate HCF and LCM, but I didn't explain it yet, so inshallah I will explain it to you tomorrow. Let's go for the next one. 140, 104. I will divide by 2. Divide 104 by 2, you will get 52. Okay, divided by 2 again. Okay, divide 50 by 2, it's 25, and divide 2 by 2, it's 1, so it will be 26. Divide by 2 again, you will get 13. 13 is a prime number, so you have to divide by 13, so the result is 1. Okay, and this one, 156 divided by 2. 150 divided by 2 is 75. Okay, and what about 6? 6 divided by 2 is 3. So 75 and 3, this is 78. Divide by 2 again, the same way. 70 divided by 8 is 35. And the 70 divided by 2, sorry, is 35. And the 8 divided by 2, it's 4. 35 and 4, it's 39. Divided by 3, it will be 13. The same way you will put 13, you will get 1. So here 104 is 2 by 2 by 2 by 2 by 2 by 13. And next one, it's 2 by 2 by 3 and also 113. So to get the HCF, I have here 1, second one, and 1 from this 13, I will take it. So 2 multiply 2, 4. 4 multiply 13, 4 multiply 10, it's 40, and 4 multiply 3, it's 12, so it's 52. Okay, and LCM I will take from here, it's 2 by 2 by 2 by 13 by 3. Okay, so 2 by 2 by 2 by 2, 8, multiply by 13, multiply by 3, you will get 312. 312, this is the number. Okay, I hope it's simple, and see you again inshallah in your next homework, and goodbye.